So ayan guys, meron tayong question na nag-pop in kanina. Ang tanong niya sa insurance questions, pwede pa ba si daddy at 66 years old? Simple answer is yes, meron pa and pwede pa si daddy at 66 years old. You can actually consider getting him a Sun Smarter Life Classic Peso 10 or yung ating Sun Smarter Life Classic regular pay. This is something I highly recommend, especially kung ikaw yung tipo ng anak na if something happens to your parents, ikaw yung kikilos, ikaw yung gagastos at ikaw yung tatakbuhan nila in times of an illness or syempre untimely death. Let's be real guys, common sa Filipino families ngayon yung kapag may bigla ang gastos sa ospital or final expense ng magulang, especially yung mga anak na yung nagtutulong-tulong para sa gastos sa magulang nila. Kung meron kang kakayahan or may option ka, get them a policy that can help you prepare for those kinds of expenses. Why not get it? At least covered siya for life. And of course, meron pang living benefits. Kasi actually with Sun Smarter Life Classic, you can use this for two events. Number one is kapag nag-hospitalize yung parents mo, you can take a loan out of this policy para may magamit ka sa hospital bills. And the other one is you can use the life insurance part to settle the final expenses of your parents. At least if you have this, hindi siya isang bagsak and hindi mo din kailangan manghiram sa ibang tao. As long as healthy. And honestly, it's really not just for the parents. It's also for the peace of mind of the children. And for my viewers, if you want a simple computation of this plan for your parents, you can just drop a comment, insure my parents, at the comment section below.